Hey guys, Sarah here, everybody's here. Oh my gosh, Bronx is here. Today we're going to be opening our Sephora Play for February 2019. Let me tell you a little bit about this box. It is $10 a month, and then you get 5 deluxe makeup, skincare, hair care items in a little plastic bag now. And then you also get 50 beauty insider points to add to your Sephora account. Okay, let's just go ahead and open up and see what we got in here. I haven't had the best of luck with this box as far as being cruelty-free goes. So let's see how we do today. As always, if I don't know if something is cruelty-free or not at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box down below, as well as breaking down the values of everything so we see if this was a good deal. Okay, so always on top we get this little paper that has the theme of the month, which is Mix Your Love Potion. And then on the back we have everything that we will be getting in here. If you're new here and you've never seen one of these, it always comes in one of these little like plastic bags that you can recycle. Okay, so the first thing I'm pulling out is from Stella McCartney. It is a perfume. It's just called Stella. I was like, what is this called? I don't know if this is cruelty-free. Let me see if I can look it up real quick. In my experiences, most like big brand perfumes are not cruelty-free. Okay, so I'm pleasantly surprised this is cruelty-free, so I will go ahead and give it a little sniff. I'm gonna spray it on my skin. Hopefully I like it because I'll smell like it the rest of the day. It is very nice. It's very clean smelling is what I would describe it as. I don't know how to describe it. It's like a clean floral a little bit. Not like super floral though. So yeah, I definitely do like it. I would definitely wear this perfume. Actually, I'm looking at the card a little more in detail. So it says it is a floral, but it's not like, like I said, it's not an overpowering floral. So if you don't like florals, I think you still might like that. Okay, let's see what we have next. So the next thing is from Caudalie, I think is how you say that. Caudalie? This is, I've gotten this a million times in these boxes. This is the Vinosource Cream Sorbet Moisturizing Sorbet. And I'm pretty sure this company tests on animals, so I won't be testing it out. I did use it in the past. I didn't care for it personally. It wasn't anything amazing to me, so I don't feel like I'm missing out with that one. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is a Fresh Rose face mask, which I'm pretty sure I've gotten this before, but I could be wrong. So it's a rose face mask infused with real rose petals, hydrates, and tones. Ugh. It doesn't smell like roses to me. I don't like the way it smells. I don't know what it smells like, but it's not roses. I don't know. I don't like it. It's just as strong and not a scent that I like. I can't describe what it smells like. It smells almost like something's gone bad. So, not a fan of this. Probably just give this to somebody else. Maybe somebody who likes that lovely scent. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling about is something I'm really, really excited about. This is from Wander Beauty, which is cruelty-free. These are the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. And I've tried I've tried like 5 gold eye masks, and I think these are the best. They really hydrate your under eye, and they just, I don't know, they're just amazing. I really, really like these, and anytime I get them, like I want to use those tonight. Like they are the best ones that I've come across. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is from Milk Makeup, which is cruelty-free. This is the Blur Stick, so silicone-free matte primer. Primes, blurs, mattifies. This is probably something I personally would not use. I just am not a mattifying kind of person. I'm a little bit of an older lady, and it just makes me look older when my skin is matte. But this is how much you get in here. I do like that it is a stick. I think that'd be really nice to, you know, I think it's easier to put on with a stick. You know what, maybe I will try this like on my nose or somewhere that's not gonna really like matter. You know, like my nose isn't wrinkly, so I think maybe I'll try it there. I'll give it a try and see how I like it for those areas. And then I have one last thing. And this is from Bite Beauty, which is cruelty free. This is a little, one of their little lipsticks. And mine is in the shade Rhubarb, and I'm pretty, no, I don't have this one. It's very pretty. I love their little like tiny samples. It kind of reminds me of like the old school, like, you might be too young for this, but like the little Avon things that came like this. They're just cute. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. This is very, very pretty. So it's just like a really nice, creamy plum wine sort of color. I really like their lipsticks. I feel like they're creamy. They feel nice on your lips. Yeah, they're not going to be super long lasting, but they look nice, and I don't mind reapplying a lipstick. If I really, really like the color, I don't expect it to last all day. And you know, when I do wear a lipstick, I almost always have to reapply anyway because I talk a lot at my job, and no matter how long lasting a lipstick says it is, it will not last me all day when my mouth is constantly moving. So there's that. So yeah, overall, I think I really like this box. I only have one thing that is not cruelty free, which is really good for this box. This box is almost every month I feel like I have more things that are tested on animals in this box than any other box I get. And the one thing that I got that is tested on animals is something I'm not going to use anyway. It's this thing. I don't like it. I've tried it in the past. It's just not something I care for. And then the only other thing I didn't really like is this, but you know, I still may try it. Who knows? I might be able to get past the smell. But yeah, what did you guys think of this box? I'm always curious to hear your opinions on these things. What did you guys get in your box? Did we get anything the same? What did we get different? I always like to know that kind of stuff down below. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.